In this video, we are going to show you how to send instant WhatsApp messages when someone signs up on a Zoho form. To get started, create a new form and label it. Then add a phone number field to collect the phone number. You can add more fields as required, but in this example, we are just capturing the WhatsApp number. Add an instruction and country code and make it mandatory to just put numbers to avoid adding symbols. Field. This will contain the WhatsApp message that you want to send when a person submits a form. Do not forget to hide the field so that it will stay hidden. You can edit this message anytime. Over to integrations, then select webhooks. But before that, let's create a free account at GrowMessage. Sign up and verify your email. Check the spam folder if it's not on your inbox. Log into your account, then click on Add Account. You will be prompted to scan the QR code. Open your WhatsApp in your smartphone and click on linked devices. Once done, head over to API to get the credentials to send the WhatsApp message. Head over to Send Direct Message section. Copy the URL and paste it on Zoho Forms integration under Webhook. Under the payload parameters, connect the fields you created. Label the first one as number to be connected to the WhatsApp number field, and the other one as message to be connected to the message you will send. Use the drop-down provided. Then add the URL parameters, which is type, instance ID, and access token. Copy the parameters shown in your account. Finally, connect the message you want to send by adding message in the payload parameters and selecting the field you created in Zoho Forms. Let us test our form. Click on Access Form, then add a WhatsApp number. Head over to your WhatsApp number to verify that it was sent. There you have it, folks. You can use GrowMessage in any applications as long as it can send post request. Integrate it with your favorite integrations using Zapier or Make.com.